everyone, welcome to its Healthy Mention channel. So today we are going to see Robert's Philosophy, chapter number 6, that is Homeopathy and the Fundamental Laws. So let's begin. Introduction. Homeopathy is a fundamental science or a part of a fundamental science, as we believe it must work in harmony with all the natural realms and the laws which apply to those realms must apply also in some degree and relationship to homeopathy. The homeopathic laws it includes: first is the homeopathic laws of cure, that is similia similibus curantur. Cure takes place from above downward, from within outward, from the more important to the less important organ, and in the reverse order of the onset of the symptoms. Homeopathic laws of action states that action and reaction are equal and opposite. The law of quantity and dose states the quantity of the drug required is in reverse ratio to the similarity. The law of quantity states that the quantity of action necessary to effect any change in nature is the least possible. The decisive amount is always a minimum and infinitesimal. The law of quality states that the quality of the action of a homeopathic remedy is determined by its quantity in inverse ratio. Now, next is the law of dose. The law of dose states that the dose and quantity that will thoroughly permeate the organism and make its essential impress upon the vital force is that which will affect the functional sphere of the individual. Now next is law of biological development states that function creates, develops the organ. Law of disease development states that functional symptoms are produced by the vital force in exact proportion to the profundity of the disturbance. Functional symptoms precede structural change. Law of proving states that first, any drug which in its natural state affects the vital energy but little will develop a proving only in a high potency. Second point states that any drug which in its natural state disturbs the vital energy to functional manifestations only may be proven in a crude form. Third point states that any drug which in its natural state disturbs the vital energy to destructive manifestations should be proven only in a potentization, that is potentized form. Law is law of repetition for proving. It states that never repeat the dose while symptoms are manifest from the dose already taken. 10th and the last law states that law of repetition for cure. Never repeat your remedy as long as it continues to act. Here we completed the chapter number 6 of Robert's Philosophy, Homeopathy and the Fundamental Laws. Hope so you have understood this topic. Thank you for watching.